Definition: a question tag is a short interrogative phrase added after a statement. It is used to express doubt or to seek confirmation about what is said or asked. It is mostly used in everyday conversations or dialogues. List of helping verbs: is, was, are, were, have, has, had, do, did, does, could, would, should, can, must, ought, will, shall, am, etc. The opposite of is, isn't, was, wasn't, are, aren't, ought, ought not, etc. There are odd ones. For example, the opposite of will is won't, shall is shan't, and am is aren't. Look at the given sentences in order to understand question tag. A. Ram is eating an ice cream. B. Sonia was not absent today. Sentence A is in positive form, whereas sentence B is in negative form. If the sentence is in positive, the answer is to be written in negative form and vice versa. Secondly, if there is a proper noun in the subject, the pronoun to be used must agree with the number and person of the subject. If it is a male category, singular, we use he, and for female category, singular, we use she. A. Ram is eating an ice cream, isn't he? B. Sonia was not absent today. Was she? If it is an object singular, we use it. If the objects are plural, we use they. For example, the pencils are sharp, aren't they? The book is tidy, isn't it? Let us have a look at all the 11 rules for making question tag. 1. If the question contains a form of the auxiliary verb to be, am, is, are, was, or were, the same verb is to be used in the question tag in affirmative or negative form as required. For example, A. He was turning over in bed, wasn't he? B. She is a dancer, isn't she? 2. Helping supporting verbs like have, has, had, and are retained in the question tag. Example A. I have given her food, haven't I? B. Lata has excelled in classical singing, hasn't she? 3. Other auxiliary verbs such as can, could, shall, should, will, might, must, do, does, did, need, or ought are retained in the question tag in negative or affirmative form as required. Example A. You should always speak the truth, shouldn't you? B. You can do it if you try hard, can't you? 4. If the sentence, statement, doesn't have an auxiliary verb, has a main verb, to be used in the question tag, then do, does, or did are used depending on the tense, number, and person of the subject. For example, A. I hear the sound of a car drawing up, don't I? B. We saw an army of ants lugging a fly, didn't we? C. A rainbow colors the entire sky, doesn't it? Note, the auxiliaries do and does are used for sentences in the present tense. Do is used with the subjects I, we, you, they, and all plural subjects. The auxiliary does is used with he, she, it, and all singular subjects. The auxiliary did is used for all sentences in the past tense. 5. If the subject in the sentence is a proper noun, use the equivalent pronoun in the question tag. For example, A. Sister Monica spent most of the time telling me about the importance of hard work, didn't she? B. Many people don't respect paper, do they? 6. The auxiliary in the question tags for am and will. Example A. I am waiting, aren't I? B. She will wait, won't she? 7. In case of imperative sentences, if the statement is affirmative, the question tag is usually affirmative or according to the context. Example A. Let's go for a movie, shall we? B. Hurry up, will you? 8. If the subject in the sentence is there, the same will be retained in the question tag. For example, A. There was enough work for me, wasn't there? B. There were not many students in the class today. Were there? 9. We do not use this, that, these or those in the question tag. We use it or they instead. Example A. This sounds ridiculous, doesn't it? B. Those mangoes are good, aren't they? 10. When the subject of the sentence is anyone, anybody, everybody, everyone, somebody, no one, nobody, neither or none, the pronoun they is used as subject in the question tag. Example A. Neither of them complained, did they? B. No one would object to helping the needy, would they? 11. Statements containing words such as neither, none, no one, nobody, hardly, and scarcely are treated as negative statements and are followed by positive affirmative question tags. Example A. My mother hardly ever goes to the movies, does she? B. He can scarcely run, can he?